Onmyoji is a popular mobile RPG developed by NetEase Games, first released in 2016. Set in a mythical world inspired by Japanese folklore, the game combines elements of strategy, adventure, and fantasy. In Onmyoji, players assume the role of an onmyoji, a practitioner of traditional Japanese esoteric arts, who summons and commands shikigami, powerful spirit beings, to battle enemies. The game features turn-based combat where players use these shikigami to form strategic teams and participate in various game modes, including story-driven quests, PvP battles, and special events. The game is renowned for its beautiful art style, rich lore, and engaging gameplay. Its gacha system allows players to obtain new shikigami and enhance their abilities, while the deep narrative and immersive world building keep players engaged. Onmyoji has enjoyed widespread popularity and has expanded to include spin-off titles, anime adaptations, and other media. Ring of Elysium is a battle royale game developed by Tencent Games. Released in 2018, the game features unique survival mechanics and environmental challenges that set it apart from other titles in the genre. In Ring of Elysium, players are stranded in a map affected by extreme weather conditions, such as snowstorms or volcanic eruptions. The primary objective is to survive by escaping these hazards, while also competing against other players. Players must scavenge for weapons, gear, and resources to protect themselves and navigate the changing terrain. The game is notable for its dynamic weather system and the use of various survival tools, such as snowboards and climbing gear, which add strategic depth to the gameplay. Ring of Elysium also includes multiple game modes and seasonal content, keeping the experience fresh and engaging for players. Its innovative approach to the battle royale genre has helped it maintain a strong following in the competitive gaming scene. Mini-World is a sandbox game developed by Mini-One Tech, known for its creative and open-ended gameplay. Released in 2015, it offers a similar experience to Minecraft, allowing players to build and explore their own virtual worlds. In Mini-World, players can gather resources, craft items, and create structures within a block-based environment. The game features a variety of modes, including survival, creative, and adventure, giving players the freedom to shape their worlds in imaginative ways. It supports multiplayer functionality, allowing players to collaborate or compete with friends in shared worlds. The game is praised for its simple controls, extensive building options, and vibrant graphics. Mini-World also includes community features such as sharing creations and participating in events, enhancing its appeal to players who enjoy creativity and social interaction in a sandbox setting.